Hello students. Moving on to question number 3 from exercise 2.3 of M.L. Agarwal, chapter Growth and Depreciation. The population of a city increases each year by 4% of what it had been at the beginning of each year. If its present population is 67,60,000, find number 1, its population 2 years hence. Number 2, its population 2 years ago. So, what is given in the question? I write down. Given in the question, growth rate, since it's a population sum, naturally remember the sum will be based on growth. So, we'll use growth formula out here. So, rate of growth percent is given as 4%. Time is given as 2 years. And the present population is given as 67,60,000. So, by the formula of growth, V is equal to V naught 1 plus R by 100 to the power N. Now, here in the first part it's given find its population 2 years hence. 2 years hence means after 2 years. So, if my present population is this, I put the value 1 plus 4 by 100 whole square. V is equal to 67,60,000. After finding out the LCM, it turns out as 104 by 100 whole square. So that means 104 by 100 into 104 by 100. So after cancellation, I get the value of V as 73,11,616. So if the present population is this, its population 2 years after or 2 years hence will be this answer. Now, moving on to its population 2 years ago. Now, by the same formula, remember students, a very important thing to note out here, using the same formula, but changing these terms means in this question, V0 was the present population. In the second part, V0 is the population 2 years ago. So, you have to find in V0 out here where V is given. So, interchanging it by the same formula only, but you can use it this way also. So, here its population 2 years ago they are asking you to find out. So, V0 is the population 2 years ago and V is the population now. So, using the same formula out here, V is equal to V0, 1 plus R by 100 to the power N, only the value changes. In the previous part, V0 was 67,60,000. Here, V will be 67,60,000 is equal to V0 since I have to find this after, 2 years ago. 1 plus 4 by 100. So, 67,60,000 out here is equal to V0. 104 by 100 whole square. Now, how will I find V0? If to find V0, I have to bring this 104 by 100 whole square to the other side of the equation. So, by cross multiplying 100 into 100, 100 will be multiplied with this twice and 104 into 100 in the denominator. It will be divided. So, after cancellation, I get the value of population as 62,50,000. So, the population 2 years ago will be this. It's a very important sum, children. Remember, if you get question like this where you have to find population 2 years hence, 2 years after, as well as 2 years before. So, in that case, you'll use the same formula. Only the value will change. In the first part, you will use this as the present population. In the second part, you will use this as the present population. Otherwise, the formula remains as it is. Go through the sum and try to copy the sum. Do the calculations yourself and find out the values. If there is any problem, please let me know.